आसावा ब्रदर्स कॉमर्स जूनियर कॉलेज, कंसेप्ट बेस्ड एजुकेशन, जहां सपने सच होते हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Om Vyas and I am a student of Asava Brothers Junior College. Today I am going to present case study on Asian Paints. Asian Paints, हर घर कुछ कहता है. Starting with company profile, the name of the company is Asian Paints. It is a publicly limited company. It is an industry who manufactures. The company was established 79 years ago on 1st Feb 1942. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. The workforce of the company was around 4,200 and now it is 7,600 plus in 2020. The website of the company is www.asianpaints.com. So, about the history of the company. Who are the founder of this company? Champaklal H. Choksi, Chimanlal N. Choksi, Suryakant C. Dani and Arvind R. Vakil are the founders of this company. They manufactured this company in a small village in Mumbai in a garage. They named this company as the Asian Oil and Paint Company. In 1945, they touches the turnover of rupees 3,50,000. How did they grow this much? With an innovative market strategy to reach consumers in the outmost corner of the country with small pack. Paint's mascot, Gattu, the mischievous kid, was born in 1954 and used by Asian Paints in many advertisements. The key people of the company are K.B.S. Anand, Managing Director and CEO, Amit Singhal, Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Ashwin Dani, Non-Executive Vice Chairman, Ms. Tarjani Vakil, Chairperson of Audit Committee, and Mr. Ashwin Choksi, Non-Executive Chairman. Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. Today, the Asian Paints Group operates in 15 countries across the world, across 4 regions, namely Asia, Middle East, South Pacific and Africa. Though they have 8 cooperative brands: Asian Paints, Asian Paints Berger, SCIB Paints, Apco Coatings, Taubmans, Asian Paints Causeways and Kadisco Asian Paints. Painting your home is exciting, but choosing the right colors, products and house painters will ensuring your family's safety can be a huge task. So that Asian Paints have a well-planned home services. They have trained professionals, strategy safety protocols, personalized color consultation, mechanized tools and site sanitization. About the products: Tractor Emulsion Paint, Royal Health Shield, Acolyte Enamel Multi-Surface Do-It-Yourself Spray Paint, Acolyte Premium Gloss Enamel Paint and Royal Luxurious Emulsion Shine Paint are the top 5 best wall paints for homes in India. Stock and share of company. In 1990, the share price of Asian Paints was rupees 3 per share. The price has been adjusted for bonus shares and share splits over the years. India is a developing country, so the demand for paints will be expected to be increased in future. The company has a distribution network over 70,000 distributors spread across the country, more than any other company in India. Asian Paints, the company, generated a revenue of 17,194.1 crores in the financial year 2019 and 20 and a profit of rupees 2,654 crores. Asian Paints is a leader by sharing market of approx 42% in paint companies. Now, the mission of the company: Asian Paints wants to be an innovative, agile and responsive world-class research and technology organization that agile to future customers' needs and crystallizes the growth of the company across existing and future. Asian Paints aims to become one of the top 5 decorative coating companies worldwide by leveraging its expertise in the higher growth emerging market. Simultaneously, the company intends to build long-term value in the industrial coating business alliance with established global partners. Its vision is to provide paints as per market demand, ensuring desired level and quantity of customers' services, continued availability of the right products, product mix and right quality at right time. Thank you.